Alright guys, it's a nice Saturday. We're having a yard sale. All the surplus is out. Figured one time like the presents. Warren's gonna drive, so maybe there'll be some good video. Yeah, it's a good idea. It definitely is different, so get used to it. It's alright. It's alright. I don't think this one can double. Yes, it does, so you never know. It might be the perfect double machine. Yeah. No, don't worry about it. I would love to build another one of these if you did. Plus, this is a brushless. That was good, Lauren. Yeah, that's the two-wheel action. Ah. Oh, that was a good one. Oh. But yeah. You got to be zenning out, probably. No, it's two-wheel drive. They have a little trouble with the wall. Yeah, that's because it's brushless. Yeah, it's a little baby brushless motor. It's a little 2845, a surpass. Oh, come on! I'm tired of chasing this thing. I think that's why the guys like it when you're driving, because then I'm running around like a goofball, and they can laugh at me. All right. Yeah, it floats. You nailed that fucker. Oh! It's not a crawler, Lauren. You're so lucky that it does that. I think this in a four-wheel drive would be awesome. Yeah. This is still fun. It's not really a track car though. You know what I mean? Like, this is more basher, you know? Yeah. It kicks out. You're so rough. At least I didn't have to walk. I have zip ties in there, and it's just the zip ties are just swinging on the tires. I didn't cut them, you know. I think this is the spot. This is your trouble area. Oh. There's one light. Battery come out. Time out. Time in. You've had a good run. Why don't you like this car? You like four-wheel drive. You don't like brushless. So this is all the things you don't like. Yeah. But it's so fun. Like, that was a cool little hop. Like that, like... Yeah, I guess. Maybe it's operated. Huh? It was. It needs a self-right feature. Well, it is a Beetle. And I did push the wheels out further, so it wasn't as fally. Put 8 mils on them. That was almost double. I think you get a rhythm where you get like 2 or 3 laps, so I bet you hit it just naturally. You know what I mean? Because you're gonna get faster. I keep thinking the car is burning, and I forget that we're burning. It's like you gotta let off the gas and turn. But that's the way two-wheel drive is. If you're on the gas, it's just gonna push you. You know? Whoa, there you go. Keep going, keep going. When the wheel kicks out, it's like you think it breaks, you know? Oh, I think you're dragging the battery. Yeah. All right, let's stop for a minute. This is probably getting hot. That's pretty